Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to do the test mode or diagnostic mode on a Ford Focus MK2. I'm going to show you guys how to get your car into that mode if you guys want the car's computer to do to run the test on all the functions that it runs. And if you guys have a check engine light, if you guys want to see what the codes are on a check engine light, this will also allow you to do that. But before we do that, let's get this set up so that you guys can get into that mode. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the trip set reset button down. Then you're going to turn the key to the on position, and that position is with the car off, but you're going to get all the lights on the dash, and this is that one position before the crank. So you're going to turn your key to the on position. That's the position before the crank where all the lights on your dash are on. Then you're going to let go when test appears, and the word test appears on the odometer. All right, to get out of that, what you guys want to do is you want to turn the key to the off position. Very, very, very simple. But here's all the tests that all the things that this test runs. So essentially what it's going to do is it's going to do a gauge sweep just to make sure that all your gauges are working correctly. It's going to do an LCD test, and all your odometer segments are going to light up. It's going to do a bulb test. All ECU control bulbs will light up. It's going to do an instrument cluster ROM revision. I'm not quite sure what some of these are, but this is what a lot of these tests are for. It's going to do an instrument cluster NVM revision. It's going to do a diagnostic trouble code test, and it's going to show you which code comes up if you guys have trouble codes. It's going to do road speed, which is miles per hour, road speed kilometers per hour. It's going to run and going to give you an engine RPM decimal value, or an engine RPM hex value, fuel volume, and it's going to do an engine coolant temperature test, an engine coolant temperature test in decimal value and hex value. It's going to do a battery voltage test. It's going to do an ABS test, EBD test. Don't know what that is. And those are the tests that it does. I'm not quite sure what some of these tests are for, but it does all the tests that you that is generally what you would need it to do, particularly with the error codes. If you guys don't have an OB2 scanner on you and you guys want to know what the codes are for the check engine light, it will definitely run that test. All right, guys. Hope this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. If you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this test, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Right, guys, take care.